Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Let's clear something up real quick. Salt doesn't add flavor. Salt makes food taste more like itself. And that's a big difference. If you ever cooked something and thought, it's fine, but it's kind of bland, that's usually not a technique problem, that's a salt problem. And here's where people mess up. They add salt at the very end and wonder why it still tastes flat. When you add salt matters, how you add salt matters. Salt early builds depth. Salt late adds punch. And if you understand that, cooking gets way easier. If you want the full breakdown, how salt actually works, when to add it, and how not to overdo it, my Salt Foundation tutorial is coming next. Save this, share it with someone who's afraid of seasoning. Now tell me what dish always comes out bland for you. We'll fix it. Thank you and have fun cooking.